Hello beautiful people, my name is Frank Ilo and I'm the lead consultant for Montour Properties and Investment Limited, a real estate marketing agency based right here in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to our channel here on YouTube. Okay, so it's a very sunny Friday here in Lagos, Nigeria, and guess what? It's our open house event at Terra Gardens. Terra Gardens is directly facing the Monastery Road, and I am here to show you exactly what this property looks like and why you should be interested in what is happening here. So do not forget to also subscribe to our channel right now. If you are watching this and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that whenever we post updates, videos, so much information that you may require, you will be the first to hit to know it. So do not forget to subscribe right now. Please subscribe. Come, let me show you exactly what we have in store for you at the open day here in Lagos. Okay, so here we are right inside Terra Gardens, and I want to briefly show you the features that will be coming up right inside this estate, and also what residents such as you who will be keen into this investment location will be enjoying. First of all, I want to bring your attention to the garden. Okay, so we'll be having a very lush garden right here within Terra Gardens, like the name says, Terra Gardens. Yes, the idea is to have a very lovely environment where families can come together and live in a very eco-friendly home. This is what is trending right now, and that is why the idea of having a very eco-friendly and sustainable home is a very good idea right now. Climate change is a serious issue, and you should be thinking about homes that gives you enough area to enjoy greenery. All right, so here we're going to be having the garden, which is also going to be here and is also in process. And if you look very closely, you will see that the whole estate, especially the road network, has been interlocked. You can see that, and we also have drainage already within the estate. So all this have been done already. And also, one thing families, investors, homeowners here within Terra Gardens will be enjoying is the gym. So you have the opportunity to work out, live the best of life and be healthy. It's very important when you live in an estate that encourages you to be fit and to be healthy. Healthy lifestyle is very important, and this is what we want for you. That is why we are bringing you to another future right here within this estate, and we are going to be having a swimming pool. So imagine enjoying all of this, from the garden to the gym, and now you're just diving into that soft water. Is just what you just need to calm your body down. So all of this is the features, just some of the features that you are going to be seeing here within Terra Gardens. And that is why I have to let you know this, so that while you are making preparations about getting involved with this project, you would also see some of the benefits or features of lifestyle that will be accessible to everyone who are residents within this location. So listen. So while we are here, I want to show you behind me, we have the 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex, and also on my far left, we also have the 3-bedroom terrace duplexes. Okay, so why do we have these units? Why don't we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms? Well, the idea is that this area has a lot of families coming within this location. And if you look at all what is happening in this neighborhood, it is best fitting for families, young families, newly married couples, elderly people who just want everything within their circle to be around them. So this is why this place is very good for families, young families, very family friendly. We're going to have children drive bicycles, children play in the garden, swimming pool for also adults and children, and also the gym also is accessible for adults. So this is going to be a very lovely place in the future, because it's going to be an opportunity for families to own their homes here, and also an opportunity for investors to also own their homes also here, or their investment right here, which they could put out for rent or for short-let purposes and make money off it. So this is a beautiful place located in Sangotedo Monastery Road. Many of you know Monastery Road. That is where you have the biggest shopping mall right here in Lagos, Novera Mall. And this Novera Mall seems to accommodate a lot of businesses, grocery stores, electronic shops, restaurants, fast food, cinema, games, banks, and all. So you have a mall that caters to all your need, and it is just a walking distance of about 4 minutes from here at Terra Gardens down to where we have ShopRite or Novera Mall. And also within this neighborhood, why I say it is a very family-friendly location is because you have several schools where kids could attend from crèche to secondary. We have all that factored within this neighborhood. We have several schools right within this place, less than 5 minutes drive, and we also have some schools on the outskirts. So we have every school for every family and for every child. We have that here, and like I also mentioned, we also have local markets where you can buy your vegetables, snail, ogi, things like that. Obono, things, you can see that in ShopRite, but you can see that in the local stores. So we have those local markets just around the corner in Sangotedo here too. So this opens a lot of advantage for families, young families, growing families, or first-time home buyers who are looking at a very lush environment, luxury setting, in a very nice location. It is breathtaking, honestly, I tell you. That is why I'm here at the open house, and it will always be my pleasure to bring you here to see things for yourself, because I believe seeing is believing. But if you are in a location where you can see what is happening right here, I would love to give you a virtual tour so you see for yourself from my own lenses exactly what we have right here. So we'll be looking very close to the 3-bedroom. I'll be showing you what it looks like, what the interior looks like, and why many people are talking about this project. So join me on my next stage to see the 3-bedroom terrace. The 4-bedroom terrace is still under, the interiors are still under construction. So as soon as that is up and running, I will also be here to bring you that update. So let us check out what we have at the 3-bedroom. Come on, let's show you what we have right inside this 3-bedroom apartment. So first of all, when you come into this door, you see this very solid, well-framed door. It has metals, it has a view for you to be able to see who is standing right outside, and it also comes with a key lock and also a very steel frame which is very solidly built within this home. And if you also see the space, this is a very nice veranda. You could have a pot of flower just like we have here, or you can also create something here for your own advantage. And also we have this doorbell, video doorbell, so if I ring it, the person who is inside is going to have a notice, and would, I have to show my face for the person to see. The person can also communicate with me through this doorbell. So I'm going to show you what we have inside just for you to see exactly what we have in store for you here at this 3-bedroom terrace. Join me. our 3-bedroom duplexes currently selling. And talking about the money is not really the most important thing right now, but the value for your money. When you talk about location, this property is in a very strategic location. If you're talking about options that you can use your home, you can live in it, you can put it for short rent, you can put it for rent, you can serve as a company's unit or something. There are several reasons why you need a place like this. And then when you have a property that is well laid out, is well planned, you have garden, you have swimming pool, you have a gym, you have a good road network, you have street light, I tell you, the quality of this work is very, very great, and I think you are going to love staying here. So you may be wondering, how much are we selling this unit? So this 3-bedroom Terrace Duplex, very spacious inside and very smart, is selling for 70 million naira, and you have the opportunity to pay 50% as down payment and also 50% at the delivery of the home to you. Why is this necessary? This has been necessary because over time we've had the experience where because of funds coming in little quantities, the homes may not be built at the speed which you may want your home delivered to you. So with 50% initial deposit, this will go a long way into putting this house to almost 70% completed, so that by the time you are ready to pay the final fee, your home is ready for you to move in. This project started, in my previous video I told you this project started in June 2022, and this is February 2023. Just approximately 7 months, and this is what you can see here. So this is to tell you that making that 50% down payment will go a long way into making sure that your home is completed on time. And we also have the 4-bedroom also still selling for 85 million naira, and you can also make a down payment of 50%, spread the balance across 6 months. And I tell you, your home will be ready and you will be ready to move in. So for those of you who are looking at opportunity of moving into your home by the end of 2023, this is the project that you should be talking about right now. This was delivered in 7 months. So add 7 months to now, that will be around October or November. Imagine then your own home is also delivered to you, so you can come back in December with your family and your children and your home is ready. This is the confidence we want, or the experience we also want people to have, having their homes delivered on time and also in a very built up, close-knitted community. So here at Terra Gardens, we are looking forward to bringing you here to help you make a home reality your own. So with Montour Properties, you can find home and also find happiness. That is what we want to bring to people. We want to bring smiles to the faces of family who will put their money down for homes like this, and at due time their keys are being handed over to them. This is why we are here, to help you to make home ownership here a very hassle-free process. All you need to do is to call the numbers right in front of your screen, and I tell you, voila, we are here to give you all you need to know to make your initial deposit and also handing keys over to you when the product is delivered. So you need people like us so that we can help make this transition a very seamless one. All right, so my name is Frankilo, like I said, and if you are dropping on this video, please do not forget to subscribe right now. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, comment, and please share this video. There's a lot of people who will love to see homes like this and take advantage of the opportunity. So talk to them, share this video to them, let them have a look of this, let them call us, and we would give them all the details that they require to make home ownership here a reality. So we keep doing this, and you know, we've been doing this for a very long time, and we won't stop doing this because this gives us joy when people find home. It gives us joy when you find home and also find happiness. So this is what we are doing, and then we will keep doing this, and we look forward to getting your calls very soon. My name is Frankilo, and I remain your humble luxury real estate consultant right here in Lagos, Nigeria. Keep watching our channel. Thank you.